So, what will you be learning in this course? In this course, you will gain a deeper understanding of blockchain technology by building out your own blockchain from scratch. Blockchain is a fairly new technology, and it can seem tough to learn and a little bit overwhelming at first, but we are going to go step by step and really break down how a blockchain works under the hood. By the time you finish this course, you will have a very solid understanding of how blockchain technology works, and you will have built out your own entire blockchain as well. The course will be laid out in the following format. First, we will build our blockchain itself. This will be a blockchain data structure that has the ability to do a proof of work, mine new blocks, create transactions, validate the chain, retrieve address data, and other functionality. In the next section, we will be creating an API or a server that will allow us to interact with our blockchain from the internet. Through our API, we will be able to use all of the functionality that we have built into our blockchain data structure. Next, we will be creating a decentralized network. This means that we will have multiple servers running and acting as separate nodes. We will make sure that all of the nodes interact with each other properly and share data with each other in the correct format. We will synchronize the entire network by making sure that any new blocks or transactions that are created are broadcast throughout the entire network. Next, we will create a consensus algorithm. Our consensus algorithm will be used to make sure that our entire blockchain stays synchronized, and it will be used to make sure that each node in our network has the correct blockchain data. Finally, we will create a block explorer. Our block explorer will be a user interface that will allow us to explore our blockchain in a user-friendly manner, and it will allow us to query our blockchain for specific blocks, transactions, and addresses. And that's it. At the end of this course, you will have a fully functioning blockchain prototype, and you will have a very solid understanding of how blockchain technology actually works under the hood. I'm not going to lie, this was an incredibly fun course to create, and I think that you will have a lot of fun building out your own blockchain as well. I hope you enjoy it. In the next video, we will go through a brief introduction as to what a blockchain is. See you there.